I'm gonna be jumping this massive jump. No e-bike kid actually jumps their e-bikes anymore. And this might be too small for this jump because it is almost 7 feet tall and we have a crappy landing, but we're just gonna send it, see if it holds up. The only thing is we got kind of lazy and we wanted to move the ramp closer, but it's not even on their property. Like if you jump on this ramp, it's not sturdy at all, guys. Look how big this thing is.
Oh, I burnt the wood. We got our small one set up for our practice and then we'll go to the big one.
Let's just rip around, see what's hot.
Ready, set, go. That was sick. On the inside. Oh! Thank you. Oh, it is a faster line. That looks sick. I thought something fell. I guess not.
You're good.
All right, dude. It looks so sick when you're driving. Like I drove. It looks so fire.
Dude, that's so much fun.
I know that jump is literally the most fun you can ever have. I love it. So you're gonna hit that one now, or?
Thank you.
Be careful, bro.
How much speed do you think I need?
I think I had it close to pin. Almost the same amount as that, maybe less. Cause you go higher.
Yeah, but I still need to go the same distance. I'm so scared.
You got it. I trust.
I think I'm just gonna send them.
It's the best way. That was butter. Dude, let's go.
That felt so good though. Alright guys, if you guys want to see more content like this, like and subscribe. Peace.